What are the maps for? Hi mom, I'm in Thailand on the other side of the world. If you see a globe, Mexico is just on the other side. I bought a map of the city to go through it without problems, although I don't understand many symbols. Upon my return, I will show you awesome pictures from the wonders that I visited. Penelope. Let's begin. Globes and maps allow us to know different characteristics of many places if we learn to use their elements. Maps are useful tools for various situations. For example, Penelope used them to tour Bangkok, and you, what do you use maps for? Activity 1. Searching the map below the city of Bangkok, Thailand. Identify in which continent it is located and the countries that have borders with. If you have a globe, 2. Locate Mexico. Answer why does Penelope say that Bangkok is of the other side of the world. If you don't have a globe, use a planisphere from the atlas and locate the two countries. You can pause the video here. Let's learn more. Maps are flat representations of the Earth's surface, using the elements that include, such as symbology, coordinates, scale, and orientation. They indicate certain components of a geographical space. There are different types of maps, which respond to different needs. They represent specific aspects, for example rivers, mountains, the political division, among others. What kind of maps do you think are needed in the following two situations? You can pause the video here. Map projections, the flattened Earth. To represent the curved shape of the Earth on paper or other flat surface, geographic calculations are performed with the imaginary circles that surround the planet, parallels and meridians. The cartographers, who are responsible for developing different types of maps, project those circles in lines on a plane. Activity 2. Locate in each map representation Mexico, Greenland, Australia, Russia, Alaska, and the Antarctic. Compare their shape and size among first among the five territories and then compare them in each of the map versions. With the result of your observations, fill the table below. Write down the differences you found from one place and between one map and the other. You can pause the video in each map representation. This is Goods, this is Mercator's, this is Robinson. Cartography is important for every country in the world since it can be identified, represented, and related to the components of geographic space. According to the information that needs to be represented, there are different types of maps, such as the following examples. You can pause the video here. Interesting fact: Arno Peters designed his projection, arguing that Europeans used Mercators to make Europe bigger in appearance compared to the rest of the world. Instead, his projection shows real size of the continents in benefit of the countries that are found near the equator and in the southern hemisphere.